Hello, everyone. We're the team of Dispatch.ai, and we're a phone automation agent. And our team consists the dev team and also DevOps, BA, UI, and tutor. Now I'll pass the floor to Leo to just briefly introduce the business model and value proposition.
Thank you, Mark. So our business model is centered around a subscription-based SaaS platform tailored for small businesses and service providers. We offer flexible plans from free to basic and pro tiers, allowing customers to scale the use of AI-powered core and booking services based on their needs and budget. Our value proposition is simple but also powerful. We help businesses never miss any calls, automate tasks, and reimagine customer engagement. Powered by our smart voice AI, Dispatch.ai answers calls 24/7, understand the intent, make bookings, and sends out summaries and follow-ups. Now I'll hand it over to our team lead Paco and our developers Mark and Kevin to demonstrate our AI agent features.
Thanks, Leo. Since our AI agent contains the phone call, so here I will just do a video, which will be easier to demonstrate the process. Is the voice okay? Okay, I'll go ahead and play.
Which one?
Hello，这个 demo 没有声音吗？
没声音，Mark，看一下。
哦，稍等。
好。
应该是。
好像还是没有，要不你直接说吧，如果调不出来的话。
好，没问题。So I think I'll just demonstrate through the website. So here's the portal. So whenever a service provider, after they subscribe to Dispatch.ai, they will be directed to a configurable portal. And the portal here, they can manage their day-to-day services and bookings. So here we provide several pages to support their daily operations. The first page is overview. So at the overview page, they can view every phone call and bookings made through our AI agent. So they can see the KPI here and also the most recent bookings. And they can also see the credits left with our plan. The second page is the inbox. So inbox is the most important page for us because it logs every phone log. It summarizes the phone calls and also displays the transcript of everything the AI agent pick up. And if there's a booking involved, the associated booking will be saved and attached to the inbox page. And we can also add the booking here. So here is not only a place to view bookings. We also have a booking page to manage bookings easily. Every booking can be edited, and including the status, time, and client name. And even though some bookings might not come from the calls, they can also create new bookings at this page. All right, the next page is service management. Service management will be the essential part of our AI agent because our agent will actually read through the service that configured here before they talk to the customers. So every active services here will have like will be saved in the AI workflow. So then the AI would go through the services with the customer, and the customer can pick which services they want. And this can be edited anytime. Whenever I create a service, it will be instantly bookable through our AI agent. Right. The next page will be calendar. So every booking on this page, we have a booking time, and it will be managed through calendar just to help with the resource allocation or team management. And for the billing part, so they can see all the payment history and also their current plan. So when a business they are going to scale up, they can always upgrade the plan here. The next part is the Dispatch.ai setup. So this part is for the first-time users when they want to set up the agent, which is to provide their phone carrier and phone number. and do a little bit of setup on their phone, then we'll be good to go and use. And at the settings page, so they can custom a greeting message, which will be used at the beginning of the phone call. And they can also edit the user and integration like add-ons management will be published here. So this would be the after logging, the site we built. So besides this, we also have a public website. So they can easily go into the admin page through here. And public website will be introduced later by our other teammates. So Paco, do you want me to demonstrate a phone call as well, or maybe we can try? So let me see if the phone call is working.
Welcome. We are GCD Cleaning. We provide house cleaning, carpet cleaning, gardening. May I get your name, please?
Hi, my name is Mark.
Nice to meet you, Mark. Could you please provide your phone number?
Hi, my phone number is 0484 023 405.
Thank you, Mark. I've noted your phone number. Can you please provide your address?
My address is 6 Grandstand Parade.
I have 6 Grandstand Parade, Sydney, NSW 2000. Is this correct? Please say yes to continue or tell me the correct address.
Yes.
Thank you for providing your information. Now, here are our available services. 1. House cleaning for $20.0. 2. Carpet cleaning for $30.0. 3. Gardening for $150.0. Which service would you like to book today?
Hi, I'd like to book house cleaning.
Great. I've selected house cleaning for you. What time would you prefer?
I prefer tomorrow afternoon.
Perfect. Thank you, Mark. I have successfully recorded your booking for house cleaning on tomorrow afternoon. Your booking is confirmed and we will send you a confirmation shortly. Thank you for choosing our service today. Have a great day and goodbye.
So luckily we have the phone call. So after the phone call and this call will be logged through our portal, and we'll be able to see all the details through the transcript, which is my address and also the service I've selected, and a booking will be generated and will be logged here. And also besides that, we also have a confirmation email, and the email will be sent to the service provider for just with a calendar attachment. Yep. So that's the end of my demo. Now I will go back to the presentation to talk a little bit more about our architecture behind this agent. So we have multiple layers. So on the left-hand side is the customer layer, and we have the Twilio, Redis, OpenAI, LLM, and also the MongoDB. So what we do is we have a Redis layer in between for the stage management. So whenever they call a number, so the Redis will get the company information and user information from that company, so they would know what services that company is providing, and then it will tell the customer to choose which services they need, and they also will request the information from the customer side. And when customer provides the information, it will go through Twilio through a function called handle gather, and handle gather can also, along with the middle status in the state management. So we write the LLM prompt as it's the prompt with the history and also with the confirmation provided before. So in that way, LLM can process to check what information is missing, what's next. So then it can reasoning. It will do reasoning, validation, and extraction. If it extracts some useful information, it will save back to the Redis. So in that way, we have a flag system. So when everything is extracted and generated, then it flag complete. Otherwise, it will go through reasoning again. So whenever the input is collected, so we have a state management to another thing in Twilio called handle status. So handle status will check if the call is complete or not. So if it's not complete, it give the feedback from LLM to the user, and the user can give additional information or chat with the AI again. So if it's completed, then it will trigger the hang up option from Twilio. And on the other side, the complete flag will also be read by our Nest.js backend, and the backend will trigger the function to validate data and call AI again to generate the summary and key points which you just saw, and then they save the booking and call log information into the MongoDB, and in the end, it will use the MCP to create the booking and send the email. Right. Next would be here's just the detail for MCP. We use the Fast API to expose the MCP APIs, and then the LLM can use them as tools. Currently, we have 3: just the normal ICS calendar, Google Calendar, and Outlook Calendar. All right, that's all my part. Now I will pass it to Coco to talk about our public website.
Hi, could you hear me? Yeah, I'm here to give a quick overview of Dispatch.ai public websites. Our landing page clearly communicates our values. Let AI handles your calls so you can focus on growing your business. It is designed for small business owner who wants to save time and never miss a potential lead. At the top, the navigation bar provides easy access to key sections like products, pricing, features, and blogs, with a strong sign up buttons to drive the conversion. The page highlights next please. Yeah. The page highlights our free pricing plans laid out in a clean compression format. We also show a visual dashboard of call status, giving users a preview of what they will get after signing up. To build trust, we include the customer's testimonials and emphasize the 24/7 availabilities and automated follow-ups. Next, please. And there's also a visual explanation of how Dispatch.ai works in 4 simple steps like this. And these cover the main highlights of our landing page. Next, Freya will cover sign-ups and onboarding.
Thanks, Coco. Hi, my name is Freya. I'm here to introduce our sign-up and onboarding flow and how we've designed it to be both user-friendly and technically robust. Our sign-up is friction-free. We integrated Google OAuth and keep the form minimal on purpose so user can land faster. Next page, please. From there, the onboarding starts. Our bubble-style UI with an AI avatar makes users feel like they're talking to a real assistant. Every valid reply is instantly persisted. Article query ships it to a Nest.js API, which stores it into a MongoDB. So even if the user refreshes the page or switches devices, their progress is still there. The flow is bi-directional. The front end dispatches user input, and the back end saves and echoes the next question, and the UI renders it immediately. We apply dual-layer validation for every user answer. The UI block bad formats, while the API enforces business rule like unique phone or email before accepting data. That's all for my part. Next, I'll hand it over to Tim to introduce service and booking.
Now, let me walking through the service and booking management system. Our platform allows businesses to create, customize, and manage services with ease. Business owners can define details, set pricing, and control availability through an intuitive interface, making setup simple. Next page, please. The booking system is the core of service fulfillment, centralizing all bookings in one dashboard. With powerful filtering and search, appointments are easy to manage. Bookings can be edited and statuses updated, confirmed, done, or cancelled. Seamless integration allows the AI to access services data and create bookings automatically. Now, let me hand it over to Leo to show you our calendar integration features.
Hi everyone, I'm Leo, and this is the internal calendar system we built for Dispatch.ai. What you are seeing now is a monthly view, designed for the clear task visualization and timeline planning. It's a highly customizable calendar where all tasks are color-coded by status, confirmed, done, and cancelled. User can toggle between monthly and weekly view, and the interface is fully exposable across devices. Next page, please. Now moving to the weekly view. We are integrate the search bar and filter dropdown to help users quickly locate the specific tasks. And clicking on the task on show detailed information such as the service type and client. The system also highlights today's dates and keeps the tasks layout clear and structured, even during the busy day. And our next speaker is Ivan.
Thank you, Leo. Now let me introduce the overview and the billing page. In the overview page, we have three main parts. First, user overview shows days, cost, service, plan status, and the Twitter phone number. Second, campaign progress tracks service and call activity over time. Third, recent booking lists the latest booking so users can see recent activity at a glance. Next page, please. In the billing page, our subscription system is built with Stripe. When the user selects a plan, a Stripe checkout session is created for secure payments. And after payment, Stripe sends webhook events like checkout session completed to update our database. Also, we use the Stripe API to switch plans, cancel subscriptions, and retrieve invoice history. Overall, this system makes subscription management simple and secure, giving users a clear view of their activity and payments all in one place. That's overview and the subscription part. Thank you.
At Dispatch.ai, we use a full-stack TypeScript setup. The front end is built with Next.js and React using MUI, React Toolkit, and the React Query to power forms, calendar, and dashboard features. The backend runs on Next.js with MongoDB and Redis for data and core flow memory. We use Tailor to handle calls and OpenAI GPT to understand the intent and make booking. For AI logic, we use large language model functions for tool calling and multiple conversation. Our MCP module built with Fast API sends confirmation emails, updates, calendar, and connect to external service. We use JWT, Google Auth2 for login, Stripe for payment, and Docker with CI/CD for deployment. Thank you for next.
All right, now Parker. Yeah.
Okay, overall, the core functionality of the project is now complete. The companies can subscribe to our application to manage their operated services, company profile, and more. And users can book them by phone with time and location. And after this, we will develop additional feature to make the agent more intelligent. For the first one is intent recognition. The agent will automatically classify a customer speech as either a question or a booking continuation. On that way, whenever the customer asks a related question, such as does this service work on weekend, or can this address provide this service, the agent can invoke a function call to respond the answer real time. And second, we can use RAG. Example, when a customer provides an address or other public information, we will first enrich it using our RAG-based address database before passing it to the LLM. This will allow us to automatically complete or correct any incomplete and inaccurate address details. And second, we will use the emotional TTS, as for example, the 11 labs. We will integrate the 11 labs so that the AI spoken relays will carry more emotion sound, make the voice output feel more natural and human-like. Okay, next page. Okay, that's all, and thanks for watching.